Hello everyone. Let's continue the class. That is question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number is divisible by 11. Okay. So we have to check which number is divisible by 11. The first question is, this is the question number 4. In that A. The first one is 5, 4, 4, 5. Okay. So now we wanted to find out whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So what is the divisibility rule to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not? So that is the sum of the digits at the even places minus the sum of the digits at the odd places. Okay, if it is the if the subtraction of these two digits, if it is a 0 or if it is 11. So if it is a 0 or 11, then this number is divisible by the number 11. Okay, now let us check the digits at the odd places, that is 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. Sum of this is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so sum of the digits at the even places, that is second place and the fourth place, that is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, that is also 9. Now subtract these two. So subtract these two. Okay, that is 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So this number, it is a divisible by 11. If the subtraction of these two, the numbers, this is the sum of the numbers at the even places, odd places, and the sum of the number at the even places. Okay, so when you subtract these two, if the subtraction of these two numbers, if it is a 0 or 11, so that is a, if it is a 0 or 11, then this number is divisible by 11. Okay, so therefore the number 5445 is divisible by 11. Okay, so simple, you don't have to divide and check whether it is divisible or not. So when you check this one, so you will come to know whether it is divisible by 11 or not. The second number is 10,824. So now B, 10,824. Okay, so now the difference between the sum of the digits at the even places minus sum of digits at the odd places. So odd places yavadavadu check madana. Okay, so this is the odd place, 1, 3, 5. So that is 4 plus 8 plus 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. Now sum of the digits at the even places, that is second place as well as the third place, that is 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. So now 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. So when it is 11 or a multiple of 11, so the difference is when it is 11 or a multiple of 11 or a 0. So or a 0, so this number, it can be easily divisible by the number 11. So we have to write the conclusions. The number 10,824 is divisible by 11. Okay. So next one, C, that is 4335. So now just check the differences. That is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. What is the difference? 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So this number, so hence the number 4335 is not divisible by the number 11. Why? Because the difference is 1. It is not 0 and it is not multiple of 11. Okay. So this number is not divisible by the number by the number 11. Okay, so just add these two. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1, so it is not divisible. Okay, now check the number D. D, that is 7 0 1 6 9 3 0 8. Okay, so we have to check this one. 7016 9308. So now we wanted to find out whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, so some of the numbers at the odd places, that is 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0, that is 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Okay, now this sum is 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay, now this 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Okay, 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Okay, now 0 plus 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. So this is the 17 minus 17, which is equal to 0, and hence this number is easily divisible by the number 11. Okay, so now next one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay, E 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So now we wanted to find out this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, so now some of the numbers at the odd places. Okay, so that is 1 0 0 0. Now here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So that will be 1. Okay, the odd places sum it is 1 and the even places sum is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence this number is divisible by the number 11. Okay, this is easy, right? Very easy to check whether it is divisible or not. Okay, now this number. So just put like this. Okay, otherwise you will be confused. Okay, so I'll be taking the odd places. 3 1 0. Here 5 1 9. So let us add 3 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 4. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 plus 9. Okay, so that is 10 plus 5 is 15. So now 15 minus 4, which is equal to 11, and hence this number is easily divisible by the number 11. At the last you have to write one conclusion that this number is divisible by 11. Okay, you have to write that line. Okay, so after this is done with the question number 4. Now the next question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So they have given the one number and one blank is given. So in that place, which number we have to put so that that number is easily divisible by number 3. So let us do this. So okay, now this is the question number 5. A dash 6 7 2 4. Okay, see here. So now we wanted to fill this blank so that this number is divisible by number 3. So when we want to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, what is the rule? If we add all the digits and if the sum is multiple of 3, then this number is divisible by the number 3, right? So now let us do that. So leave the first one. So add all these numbers, that is 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Got it? So that is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So 12 plus 7 is 19. So the sum of all the digits, so sum of these 4 digits is 19. So now what we wanted to do? So we have to make this sum. We have to add one number so that this number is divisible by the number 3. Okay. So which number we can add? We wanted to find out two numbers. Okay. The smallest number as well as the biggest number, which number fit here. Okay. So now 19 is there. So 21 is a multiple of 3, right? 21 is the multiple of 3. And how much we have to add to this number to get 21? Okay. The nearest multiple to this number is 21. Okay. 21 is divisible by 3, right? 3 7s are 21. So this 21 is nearer to 19. Okay. Only how many numbers we have to add? We have to add 2 numbers. So when I add plus 2 to 19, so this is 11 and 2, 21. So when I add plus 2 to this sum, I got 21. 21 is a multiple of 3 and it is easily divisible by the number 3. So which number I got is the number 2. So when I write here 2, so this is the number 2, 6, 7, 2, 4. So add all the numbers. If we add all the numbers, we get the sum as 21. So when it is a 21, it is easily divisible by the number 3, right? Why? Because it is a multiple of 3. So 2 is the smallest number we added here. Now we wanted to find out the greatest number. So in order to find out the greatest number, just observe this number. This is 2 and the even number and the smallest number we got. So one digit even number is which one? The greatest one digit even number is 8, right? So one digit even number, greatest even number is 8, right? 2 is the smallest even number. 8 is the greatest one digit number. One digit number. You got it? One digit number. So when I write 8, 6, 7, 2 and 4. So this is the smallest number and this is the even number and smallest number. In the even number, greatest number is which one? 8. 8 is the greatest number. And just add these, okay? Just to confirm 8 is correct or not, just add all the numbers. 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 8. Okay, 19 plus 8. So that is it is 27. So when I add 8, so the sum is 27 and 27 is a multiple of 3, right? 2 9s are 27. Okay, 2 9s are 27 and this is easily divisible by the number 3. So we got the smallest number is 2 and the greatest number is 8. So this is easy, right? So just you have to observe. If we wanted to find out whether it is divisible by 3, so we have to add the numbers and sum should be multiple of 3. So that we will get the number easily. So just check the sum and find out the nearest multiple of 3 to this number. So when we add plus 2, this is the smallest number and added 8, this is the highest number. Okay. So once you practice these sums, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So next one, the question is B. Okay. Now this is B. 4, 7, 6, 5 and dash and 2. Okay. Now we wanted to find out whether this we wanted to find out one single number, that is the smallest number as well as the greatest number, so that this number is divisible by the number 3. So leave this blank right now. So just take remaining digits. Okay, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 and plus 2. Okay, add all these numbers. That is 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay. So this is 24. So which is the number which is the multiple of 3 near to 24? It is 27. So this is 27. 27 is a multiple of 3 and which is nearer to 24. Okay. So when we add plus 3, so in order to get 27, we have to add plus 3 to 24. Plus 3. When I add plus 3 to 24, this will become 27. When it is becoming 27, it is easily divisible by the number 3. So 3 is the smallest number. So that number will become 4, 7, 6, 5, and this is 3 and 2. So when you add all the numbers, the sum is 27 and which is multiple of 3. Hence, this number is easily divisible by the number 3. So 3 is the smallest number we found out. 3 is an odd number. Okay, odd number. And in the odd number, which is the greatest number? 9. 9 is the odd number and it is the greatest single digit. Okay. So the another number will be 5, 9. Okay. And 2. So when we add 3 here, we got 29. So when we add 9, so 9 plus 7 is 16, 36. 36 is a multiple of 3. Okay, 36 is a multiple of 3. That is 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 36 is a multiple of 3. 36 is a multiple of 3 and hence this number is easily divisible by the number 3. This is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. So these all are easy problems. So solve at the home. Okay. So the last question is, the last one in this exercise is write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. So, okay, we have to find out the number formed should be divisible by 11. This is a 6 and in that 8. Okay, that is 9, 2, space 3, 8 and 9. So this is the number and we have to find out, we should find out that this number it should be divisible by 11. Okay, so now, so in order to find out this number, what we have to do is, we have to, so let us take a in this part. Okay, right now let us consider this number as a small a. Okay, so odd places number are what? 9, 3, 2. Even places numbers 8, 9. Okay, now first we will write the number 9 plus 3 plus 2. 9 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 12 plus 2 is 15. Okay, so 12 plus 2 is 15. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And so we have taken the odd numbers. Let us take the even numbers. That is 8 plus 8 plus 9. So this is 17. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 8. Okay. This is the, so when we add all the odd numbers, we got 14. When we add all the even numbers, we got 17 plus a is there. Let the a be. Okay. The answer when we subtract these two, the answer should be 11 or 0. Then this number is divisible by the number 11, right? You know that, right? So let us consider when we are subtracting these two, the answer what we get is 11. Let us consider, okay? Let us consider when we subtract 14 minus 17, that we got is 11. So now let us write that. So either this minus this or this minus this, whichever we can take. That is 17 plus a minus 14 is equal to 11. Okay. So what we got is, I am subtracting this minus this or this minus this number goes. Okay. So now 17 plus a minus 14, which is equal to 11. We have to get this 11, answer as 11. Okay. Now, so 17 plus a is equal to this minus 14 goes that side and will become plus 14. That is 25. Okay. 14 plus 11 is 25. Okay. So now a is equal to 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17. So let us do 25 minus 17. Okay, now that is 15. 15 minus 7, that is 8. 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so that is a is equal to 8. So what we got? The first number a is equal to 8. So this is the number which will fit here to make this number divisible by 8. Okay, so a is equal to 8. So what did we do? So see here, sum of the numbers at the odd places and sum of the number at the even places. Right now we are considering a as considering this number as a, small a. Okay, let us consider that. When we add this, that is 8 plus 9 is 17 plus a. Keep the a remaining. So we wanted to find out the difference between these two numbers should be 11, right? And we have taken that. So let us write 17 plus a, this number minus this number, we will get 11. So when we solve the problem, a is equal to 8. So let us substitute this a here and check. We will get the, let us check that if the number is divisible by 11 or not. So let us check which number we got, whether it is correct or not. 9, 2, 8, 3, 8 and 9. 8 I got, right? So here odd numbers minus even numbers. Okay, now 9 plus 3 plus 2. 9 plus 3 plus 2, that is 14. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 9. That is 8 plus 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so now difference between these two, 25 minus 14. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference between these two is 11. Hence this number is divisible by number 11. So whichever number we got, 8, whichever number we got, 8, it is a correct number. Okay. So this is the method to find out the number. There is one more problem. The last one in this exercise is 8 dash 9484. 9484. So this is the last problem in this. 9484. Okay. 8 dash 9484. So let us consider this number as a. And even odd places number 4 plus 4 plus 8. 8 plus 9 plus 8. So first 8. That is 8 plus 8. Next one. 8 plus 9 plus 8. That is 25. So the difference it should be 11. So difference it should be 11, right? So what we have to do is we have to subtract these numbers, right? So let us take 25 minus 8 plus a. So this number minus this number, which is equal to 11. So I am taking, so I keep it remaining. So that is 25 plus a is equal to minus 8 goes that side and it becomes 11 plus 8. Okay, 11 plus 8. I am sending this minus 8 to that side, so that will become plus 8 is equal to 11 plus 8. Okay, so that is 25 plus a, 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19. Okay, so now a is equal to 19. I am sending this number to this side, so this will become 25. 25 minus 11. 25 minus 11, it is minus 6. Okay, so number is minus 6. Don't consider the sign here. Sign is just a thing and don't consider the sign. What we got is a is equal to 6. So we got minus 6. Don't consider the sign. So a is equal to 6. Okay, let us apply this 6 in this problem and check whether this is correct or not. Okay, so what we got is 6, right? 8, 6, 9, 4, 8, 4. So that is 4 plus 4 plus a. A is what? 6. Okay, that is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So first number is 14 and the second number is 25. So the second number is 25 and we wanted to find out the difference between 25 and 14. So when we subtract 25 minus 14, that 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. The difference between these two numbers is 11. Hence this number is easily divisible by the number 11. So what did we do right now? So I'll explain it once again. Check it carefully. So sum of the numbers at the odd places. 4 plus 4 plus a. 4 plus 4 plus a is equal to 8 plus a. Keep it that. And now the even places is 8 plus 9 plus 8. That is 25. Difference it should be 11. So what did I do is 25 minus this number. 25 minus 8 plus a, which it should be equal to 11. So difference it should be equal to 11. So when I say minus a to that side, minus a to that side, this will become plus 8. Okay, so plus 8, right? So that is 25 plus a is equal to, it is 19. So it is 19. So one more thing what we can do is here, so yeah, 25 plus a is equal to 19. Okay, so when we got 19, so a is equal to 19 minus 25, that is 6. Okay, don't consider the sign. Don't consider, we got minus 6 but don't consider it. So a value is 6. So when we substitute 6 here, and the difference between even places and odd places, it is 11, and hence this number is divisible by the number 11. Okay, so practice all this.